In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $5,000 to $10,000 passively with a copy-paste business using hybrid affiliation. Now, before you say anything, oh, you're a scammer, you're a liar, what the heck are you talking about? I'm going to be dropping screenshots on the screen of me making money while I was literally sleeping. So yes, this is 100% profit, but only if you lock in. So if you're watching this video and you're a dopamine junkie, you're lazy, you're not ready to put in the work, you might as well click off this video. This is not for you. For those of you that will watch this video, will take notes, and are ready to put in the work right after watching this video, then stick around because I'm going to be dropping a bunch of sauce. So before I go into what's exactly the copy-paste business strategy, I need to explain you guys what is hybrid affiliation. Hybrid affiliation, in very simple terms, is an alternate version of affiliate marketing. So for those of you that don't know what affiliate marketing is when you simply promote somebody else's product for a commission. So in other words, you promote, let's say, a skincare product, and whenever someone buys that product through your unique affiliate link, you make a percentage of the sale. In other words, a commission. Now, in most cases in this industry, you'll see a lot of people use the traditional way of doing affiliate marketing, which is using blogs, websites, and review pages to generate traffic and then promote these products. Now, what exactly are these products? This can be literally anything, but most cases is a physical product. This may sound like a very great and simple business model for beginners, but the only problem is that people don't really care about blogs and websites anymore. And they aren't the best way of generating traffic, leading most people to pay money for ads. And as a beginner, if you don't have the money, this entire business model is dead. So this is where hybrid affiliation comes in, where instead of using blogs and review pages and ads, you use the #1 way of generating traffic and getting people's attention: social media. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram are great for beginners because it's free and you don't even need to create your own content. You can simply replicate what's already going viral, so you can build off this trend and build off that foundation. And unlike the traditional affiliate marketing, instead of promoting physical products, we sell digital products. So anything like an ebook, coaching, a course, a community, software, and so on and so forth. The reason why digital products works so well is because they can be sold infinitely. You don't need to worry about shipping, returns, and all this other crazy business stuff because it's digital and 100% accessible. So the question is, how can we use hybrid affiliation in a copy-paste context? Step #1, choose the right niche. This is a very simple step, but the most important one because it's going to be your reference point moving forward. Choosing your niche or your topic can literally be anything. It can be nutrition, fitness, health, parenting, finance, tech, crypto, you get it. Just choose something that you have some sort of expertise, knowledge, or interest about. If for whatever reason nothing comes to mind, you can talk about something that you overcame through in your life. For example, before you were skinny or now you're fit, or before you was lazy and now you're productive. So take some time to choose the right niche because it's going to be extremely important. A quick example of choosing the right niche is this guy Daniel that I had a call with a few days ago. We was on a call and he was explaining me how when he was younger, he struggled with stage fright. And now he still struggles with it, but to the point where you wouldn't even notice he's nervous because he performs so well. And I told him, listen, this can be your niche because this niche is based off a problem, of a fear, which is stage fright that causes a lot of negative aspects to your life, such as low self-esteem, you get nervous, you probably lose some reputation, you don't look professional, you probably lose some money. But on the other side of it, there's a dream, which is to make more money, have a high reputation, be more confident, and gain a better status as a performer. So when you're choosing your niche, you want to make sure that it's based off a problem, but there's also a dream. The reason why this is so important is because business is about solving problems, and your product is supposed to be the solution to that problem. Once you have your niche, now it's time to move on to step #2, which is to choose the right product. Now, there are hundreds of websites out there that will help you out in finding the right product for you. Websites like ClickBank, Digital24, and Copcart are great for beginners because they're free. One of my favorite ones are Copcart because it's great for beginners and you can find tons of digital products out there. Let me show you guys how this looks like live. So I'm just going to go on Copcart and make sure to create a USA account. It just takes like 2 minutes. Don't even worry about it. Once you're on Copcart, go on the marketplace and start looking for a digital product. Now, in this case, you're going to find a bunch of random products that have a bunch of random prices. What we're going to do is look for a product in our niche. So let's say in this example, I'm going to choose social media and just type in social media. I have access to hundreds of products about social media or related to social media. So I'm going to keep scrolling and see if I find anything interesting. So ideally, you want to be focusing on high ticket digital products. Now, the reason why we focus on high ticket digital products, they allow us to make more money with less effort. If I were to promote a product that was only giving me $50 in commission, do you know how much products I would have to sell every single day for me to make 10K? Way too much. But if I were to sell one high ticket product and make like 2 sales at around $500 per sale, I'm making $1,000 every single day as long as I'm making 2 sales, which is crazy. It's only 2 sales. You just need to get 2 people in. Now that we're back on Copecart, let me show you some examples of products that might be great for beginners. So I'm just scrolling here. I'm going to start seeing some products related to social media. So in this case, this one is about affiliate marketing, which is priced at $1,000. So high ticket with a 60% commission. So every single sale, I'm going to be making $600, which is amazing. It has a sales page, a checkout page, and an affiliate page. So I can use these resources to my advantage. And all I need to do is just simply press promote and I get access to it. How this is going to look like, I'm just going to scroll down and show you another example. This one is priced at $1.7 thousand and $500 per sale. And once I'm ready to promote, I just click right here on promote, copy the link, and I have access to it. And in a matter of 2 minutes, you have a digital product to promote that is high ticket. It's going to allow you to make $500 or more a day. Now that you have that product, it's time for you to start doing some research. Now, why is research so important? Because we need to understand our audience. Hybrid affiliation, unlike traditional affiliate marketing, is based on audience. You need to give the people what they want. So the easiest way of doing this is simply going on websites like Google, YouTube, Reddit, Quora, and trying to get an understanding of the audience. What is it that they like, that they dislike? Who do they follow? What do they want? What do they need? What are they struggling with? And where do they want to go? Which is the 2 most important factors in this entire research. My favorite ways of doing research is on 2 platforms. Number 1, YouTube. I could just go on YouTube, type in on the search bar my niche, find creators that are talking about that specific topic, and go on the comments. And check out on the comments people talking about things that they're struggling with in their journey, or questions that they may have, and I can use that in my content to naturally attract them. So people come to me and I don't have to chase them off. The second best platform for doing research is Instagram. Same thing, you can just go on the search bar, type in your niche, and look for the top 10, top 15 most successful creators about that niche. And you can go on the comments and look at the same thing. The second step of doing research is for yourself. In other words, you as the creator, you as the marketer. You're going to go on Instagram, on the search bar one more time, and find these top to 10, 15 most successful creators in that niche. Then go on the Reels page and look at the most viral video these past 30 days. The reason why it needs to be viral these past 30 days is because we don't want to be copying or replicating or following a trend that is like 2 years old. So make sure that you're replicating a video that is new. And that brings me to step number 3, which is replicating viral content. You want to go on every single one of these creators that have 10K followers, 50K followers, 100K followers, and more, and analyze their content. Look at their hooks. What do they talk about? How do they craft their captions? What hashtags are they using? What do they post on their stories? And literally take notes, screenshot it, and create a folder with it. Like that, once you start creating content, you can use that as reference. Let's say, for example, a guy, let's say he has like 20K followers, he talks about nutrition. He makes a video that goes viral, let's say like 100K views, and the hook on the screen is how to lose 90 pounds in 90 days with a keto diet, right? You can simply take the same background clip, same hashtags, same caption, same hook, just change a few words. So in this case, instead of saying how to lose 90 pounds in 90 days with a keto diet, you can say how to lose 60 pounds in 60 days with the keto diet, which is basically the same thing, same topic, but the idea is still the same. The foundation is still the same. So in other words, copy, paste. So remember, when you're creating content, you don't need to actually create content. You just need to replicate what's already going viral. Now let's move into step number 4, which is actually selling the product. We need to actually make money off this, right? So every single day, through your stories, through your captions, and in your content, you want to highlight the dream state that your product is going to allow your audience to have. Don't make the mistake that I did of consistently talking about all of the features, perks of the product that you're selling. Don't sell the product, sell the dream. Once again, content creation is about solving people's problems, is about people's emotions, is about accentuating their pain and their dream. And you do that by simply triggering them and targeting them. That's the reason why we do research at the beginning of the stage. If you know that your audience is struggling with weight loss, that they're struggling with low self-esteem, that they're struggling with getting a girlfriend, talk about the pains, emotions, and trauma related to that problem, related to that pain. A simple video idea might be, if you are struggling with losing weight, you're not consistent, and you're tired of being fat, read the caption. That's a simple video idea accentuating the pain of somebody that's overweight. Now, in the captions, you can talk about how your product is going to help them out, but not what's inside the product, how the product is going to help them. And crafting your caption in a way that at the end, you have a call to action telling people to DM you for more information or for more help. Once you're in the DMs, this is extremely important. You need to talk with them as if it's your friend. Don't hop in the DMs and be super salesy and try to get them to buy your product right away. That's not the best way to do it. The best way to do it is by simply have a conversation with them to understand them, where they're at, where they're currently struggling with, where do they want to be? We'll stop them from getting there. And you slowly but surely, every single week through conversations and follow-ups, build that connection with that prospect so you can eventually make a sale. Another key bonus strategy for you to actually make this passive and generating sales in the DMs is by giving out free sauce, free gifts, and free value. We can create a simple 20-page ebook that ChatGPT can create, by the way, where we simply explain very simple but valuable tips on how to lose weight with the keto diet in this case. Now, the key here, before giving them the free product, or in this case, the free ebook, you want to create an opt-in page. Now, you don't have to be a pro on websites. You can simply use templates like templates on System.io, which is my favorite website, my favorite platform for funnels and sales system. So just over to System.io and look for an opt-in page. You can simply copy it, just change your few words and make it your own for your niche. And you can set it up in a way that whenever someone adds their name and their email in that page, then they get access to the free ebook. Now, the reason why we're asking for their name and their email is so we can nurture them every single week through email marketing or an email campaign, where we're going to be every single week giving them value, information about who you are, what you do, what the product is, and how the product can help them. And over time, the person is going to become much more familiar with your brand, with your content, with the product, and be more likely to buy your product. In other words, making you $500 plus a day. There you have it, guys. In a matter of a few minutes, you now have an entire game plan on how to create a copy-paste business. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be a pro. You don't even need your own reviews, because you can use the reviews and testimonials of the product you're promoting. You don't need a team. You don't need a degree. You don't need any crazy experience. All you need is consistency. As long as you have a phone, Wi-Fi, and you're ready to put in the work, you can easily make $5,000 to $10,000 passively with this business. As long as you have System.io right in place and you're following up with the people that DM you, that you DM every single week, you're going to make money with this regardless. This business model has allowed me to literally go from being in debt to making $11,000 passively within 90 days as a complete beginner. So just a quick recap for those of you that have a TikTok brain. Number one, you need to choose a niche. Make sure it's something that you like, that you're interested about, or it's a topic about something that you've overcame in life. Number two, you need to choose the right product. So make sure that the product that you're choosing is aligned to your niche and is based off a pain and a dream. You can find these products to promote on websites like ClickBank, Digital24, Copcard, and so much more, because they're 100% free. Number three is doing research so you can understand the audience. Going on YouTube comments, Instagram comments, Reddit, Quora are great platforms so you can understand the audience a bit more and use their language for your content. Step number four is literally replicating viral content. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't stress it. Whatever they're saying and they're doing in the video, copy it. Just change a few words, add your own twist, and go crazy. Posting 2 to 3 days for 3 weeks consistently will guarantee you at least 2 to 3 viral videos. Trust me when I say this, because I've done it multiple times. You can check out my IG. And step number 5 is using AI tools such as ChatGPT and System.io to automate your entire business to nurture people in the background. So for any of you guys that want to see live step-by-step process of how this business model works, check out the link in my description for an 100% free training video. It's only 23 minutes long, and I explain and show you guys live how you can set up this entire business as a complete beginner. So if you're tired of being broke, you're tired of being in debt, or you're tired of school, then check out the link in my description for an 100% free training video. If you ever have any questions, curiosity, concerns, or you want to connect the dots about this business, don't hesitate on sending me a message on Instagram. That being said, I hope you took notes. I hope you're actually going to take action, and I'll see you soon.